How to buy celebrity dresses. Dying to get your hands on a piece of clothing worn by a famous star? Let us help. You will need a charity auction, a knockoff, a Hollywood wardrobe shop, and a seamstress. Step 1. Check out what's for sale on clothesoffOurback.org, a non-profit organization that auctions clothes celebrities have worn on set and to award shows. Proceeds go to various children's charities. Step 2. Get a replica of a gown worn to an award show. Knockoffs arrive at department stores within 1 week of red carpet events. The clothing line ABS by Alan Schwartz specializes in translating red carpet trends into affordable pieces. Step 3. Like something you saw a celebrity wear in real life or in character? Check out SeenOn.com, which provides purchasing information for celebrity ensembles and accessories. Step 4. Check out the merchandise offered by It's a Wrap, which has 2 stores in Los Angeles and a website, itsawraphollywood.com. They sell clothes and props from TV shows and movie sets. Step 5. Still no luck? Bring a photo of the dress to a seamstress who will make a copycat for you. Did you know a Clothes Off Our Back bidder paid $50,000 for the vintage Christian Dior gown that Jennifer Aniston wore to the 2002 Emmy Awards?